Unity lies in Jesus Christ. And so I want to talk about three words, three things that we can do to help to bridge that gap. They come down to three things: unity, liberty, and grace. Unity, liberty, and grace. And the essentials. And what are those essentials? We've been talking about them for 2 weeks now. The essentials are that we know, we believe in God. We believe in the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. We believe that Jesus Christ came, that he died, that he was buried, he rose again, he's now with the Father, and he's coming back again. That is what we believe. That is where we find our unity. In the essentials, we are unified, which means we have to allow for liberty in those non-essentials. We have to allow for liberty in the political party that people choose to follow. We have to allow for liberty in policies that we may not agree with. We have to allow for liberty in those areas, and most importantly, we have to be willing to give what we have been given, and that's grace. Understand this, that you may look at that person from the other party as if they are a sinner. You are right, but so are you. In God's eyes, for all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. None of us is perfect. We are moving toward perfection. And so we have to be willing to give grace to that individual that we may not think has it right politically, just as God has given grace to us. Each and every one of us is a proponent, is a receiver of God's grace. All of us have received God's grace. Jesus Christ went to the cross for me and for you and for all of us. And so we have to be willing to give that grace.